Promotor 960 real-time PCR system. Installation. Connect the power socket and turn on the 960 real-time PCR system. Enter password, admin. When installing the system for the first time, the 960 real-time PCR system must be switched from transport mode to non-transport mode. Run the program Check 0 in the template to perform self-testing. Check whether the running temperature and time are consistent with the preset program. Confirm the PCR system is working well before performing formal patient test or experiment. Setup. 960 real-time PCR system includes the following settings: date, time, edit local time and date, language, English or Chinese, network, set the IP address, subnet mask and gateway. It is recommended that network 2 be selected when connecting the PCR system to a computer. Memory. Display the total and available memory space. Upgrade. Please contact your distributor's technical engineer regarding software upgrades. Brightness. There are 6 brightness settings. Account. Create a new user or edit user information and permissions. Files. Delete, import, or export files. Maintain. The system must be switched to transport mode before shipping. Logs. Display running logs of the 960 real-time PCR system. Connect with a computer. Select Network 2 to connect the instrument to a computer. Install the PC software from the accessory CD. Click the Setup file. Enter the password. Select the location to finish the installation. Restart the computer. Then double-click the 960 real-time PCR system icon on the desktop to launch the software. The 960 real-time PCR system can either work as a standalone system or connected with a computer. Load PCR reaction tubes. Pull the reaction cabin to open. Place the reaction tubes in the wells inside, then push in the cabin to close. Please place the reaction tubes in a balanced, symmetrical pattern. Do not put them all on one side. New experiment. To create a new patient test or experiment, edit the experiment information such as name, type, operator, reviewer, comments as needed. Confirm the temperature of the cover and the control mode. Then go to Plate Edit. The 960 real-time PCR system has preset programs for all Acon's PCR test kits. Take the program Acon HBV as an example. Select the reaction well positions according to how the reaction tubes are loaded. For instance, all 96 samples, choose the Acon HBV program. Click Reaction Well to fill in the required information. Define the negative control, low positive control for calibrators. The unknown samples information can be imported either manually or using the barcode reader. To edit information for a batch of samples, firstly select the appropriate wells or all samples. Click the Auto Unique ID Editor button. Defines the prefix, start value, interval, digital, then click Apply. Well information is selectively displayed with program, unique ID, result, CT, CN, and sample name. For qualitative program, such as the SARS-CoV-2, set the negative control and positive control. Confirm the run method, then click Start. Save the test file, and the test will begin running. The temperature and original fluorescence plot will be displayed in real time after the test begins. Do not pull open the reaction cabin while the test is running. After the test has completed, go to Analyze Experiment. Analyze Experiment. The 960 real-time PCR system automatically interprets the test data. The amplification curve can be displayed in a logarithmic plot or in linear format. Generally, we use the linear format. Color can be showed accordingly by row, column, channel, and type. Select the displayed target. The threshold line can be automatically identified or manually adjusted. After adjusting the threshold line, click Analyze again. Check results in the View table. For Acon SARS-CoV-2 result, the 4-target channel for the positive control should be a sigmoid curve and the CT is less than or equal to 36. No amplification curve should be observed for the negative control. If the positive and negative controls meet these requirements, the result is valid and can be analyzed further. The interpretation algorithm is illustrated in the test kit package insert. For a quantitative program, select calibrators S1 through S4 to create a standard curve, and check whether the standard curve is qualified for further analysis, according to the test kit package insert. The standard curve can be saved as a picture, which will also allow the curve properties to be modified. Raw data shows the raw fluorescence value of each well in each channel, while the channel plot shows the fluorescence value of each cycle. To export the data, click Export. Select the needed information. Export path. The data will be exported as an Excel file. Completed tests may also be downloaded to local computer. Template. To initiate an experiment repeatedly with the same sample information and program, save it as template. Click Template to open the template file. Modify the experiment name, and confirm the sample information and run method. Then click Start. Save the file and the program will start immediately. New program. Although the 960 real-time PCR system is pre-programmed with all the Acon PCR test kit programs, a new program must be added when running an assay by another manufacturer or a custom assay. Using COVID-19 as an example, add the program name. Select the experiment type as qualitative, quantitative. Check the 4 dye probes and edit the detection targets. When editing the run method, insert stages or steps. Set the temperature, time, cycle, and signal detection according to the PCR program in the test kit package insert. Parameters and rules can also be edited according to the test kit package insert to facilitate result interpretation. Click Save to save the program. Edit program. To edit a preset program, select the program to modify the basic information. Run method. Parameters and rules. Click Save. Manage program. All the preset programs in the system can be viewed. Select a program to display the basic information. You can create, edit, copy, rename, delete, import, and export programs from here. Options. General options include sorting type, algorithm, and so on. In table options, choose different patient test and experiment types. Check the information that needs to be displayed in the table view when analyzing the patient tests and experiments. In list management, the user may edit the operator, reviewer, gender, sample, submitter, and department. Users. Users displays the account information and permission. Create, edit, and delete users from this page. Standalone operation. The 960 real-time PCR system can also perform standalone operations. The procedures are similar to the PC operations. Experiment. To create a new patient test or experiment, edit the experiment information such as name, type, operator, reviewer, comments as needed. Confirm the temperature of the cover and the control mode. Select the reaction well positions according to how the reaction tubes are loaded. Then choose the reaction program. Edit the sample name, sample type, and other information either manually or using the barcode reader. To edit information for a batch of samples, firstly select the appropriate wells or all samples. Click the Auto Unique ID Editor button. Defines the prefix, start value, interval, digital, then click Apply. After checking the run method, you can click Start, then the reaction cabin will rise. Do not pull the reaction cabin during running process. The temperature and original fluorescence plot will be displayed in real time after the test begins. Analysis. After the test completes, click the icons to zoom in or zoom out of the curve. The user may adjust curve attributes. Select the program and target. Click Basic for parameters. Automatically or manually adjust the baseline and threshold. Click Analyze after adjusting the threshold line. View the result in View Table. Press the screen and hold until the menu pops up. Select Show or Hide the threshold line. The curve can be displayed in linear or log mode. If the program is quantitative, the standard curve may be viewed after the calibrators are selected. Insert the USB flash drive. Click Export in the menu button. Select the needed data information and export the results as an Excel file. Existing test files may be exported from the setup files. After the export has completed, remove the USB flash drive. Template. To initiate an experiment repeatedly with the same sample information and program, save it as a template. Click Template to open the template file. Modify the experiment name. Confirm the sample information and run method. Then click Start. Save the file and the program will start immediately. Edit Program and New Program. In Program, you can new, copy, delete, and select a program. To new a program, edit the program's name, select the experiment type. Check the dye probes, and edit detection targets. When editing the run method, insert stages or steps. Set the temperature, time, cycle, and signal detection according to the PCR program in the test kit package insert. Exit and save the program. Options. General options include sorting type, algorithm, and so on. In table options, choose different experiment types. Check the information that need to be displayed in the view table when analyzing the experiment. In the list management, you can edit the gender, department, sample, and submitter. Daily maintenance. Wash the reaction well with 75% alcohol. After soaking for 10 minutes, remove the liquid and let it dry naturally. It is recommended that the reaction well be cleaned every 7 days. Please push the reaction cabin in and protect it from dust when the instrument is not in use.